Do you want to turn this image into this? Or perhaps this into this? These are transparent background images. So what is a transparent background image and how to convert an ordinary image into a non-intrusive transparent background image? There are certain images that can have transparent portions in them. Simply put, when you superimpose these images on some other background, that background becomes visible through the transparent portions of the image. This is super useful when the background is not important and you want to position only certain parts of the image on other pictures. There are hard ways to turn a normal image into a transparent background image. One can do it using Photoshop or some other software, which could be difficult and time consuming. There is an easy solution though. I came across a website that lets you remove the background from the image so easily. So what you need to do is to go to remove.bg, upload your image by either selecting from your computer or dropping it onto their website. And that's pretty much it. It makes the background transparent without any hassle. I don't know how do they do it, but it's pretty much dope. On top of that, you have basic editing tools to make the areas where you don't want a transparent background. And then you just download it. This is really easy and useful, isn't it? If you like this information, please consider subscribing to this channel.